In this video, I will be showing you how to thread a post-bed machine. I will be demonstrating on the Artisan 4618. We will begin with the thread stand. You want to make sure the eyelet you're threading is directly above the spool of thread. And you'll want to make sure the thread stand is parallel with the table and the machine. Once the eyelet is threaded, we will move over to the thread guide post. It will be threaded from top, and the thread will come out of the groove right below. We will then move on to the arm thread guide, and we will start with the hole on the far right. From there, we will go around and form an S-shaped loop to the hole on the far left. From there, we will go to the upper thread tension plate. Starting from right to left, you'll start from the top hole and loop around, making the same S loop as before, going around and back into the bottom hole. We are then going to bring the thread up to the upper tension assembly. It will go all the way through when pulling it. Then we will go under the thread guide pin, following through between the tension disc. Once the thread is in between the disc, you will feel the tension by pulling the thread through. From here, you will then pull the thread through and set it above the second thread pin guide. We will make our way down to the thread guide assembly. From there, it will make its way up and engage the check spring. You can then begin to thread through the right side of the frame thread guide. And as you bring the thread up, it will engage the check spring. We will then move to the take-up lever and thread through from right to left. It will then be pulled down to the left side of the frame thread guide. Moving over to the lower frame thread guide, begin to thread through, and we will make our way to the needle bar thread guide, located right above the needle. The last step is to thread the needle, but to do so, we will need to have the roller feed out of the way. To do this, use the knee lift while keeping it raised, then pull the roller feed down and turn it clockwise. We will then thread the needle. While using the knee lift, pull the roller feed down and turn counterclockwise to engage the roller foot.